Grand Rising Little Thor. Hey, Bubba. Blessings, everybody, in Grand Rising. Happy Turkey Lurkey Day. That was yesterday. Hi, Auntie Amy and all the friends that watch Little Thor. Thank you for your support. I hope all of you are spending the day after in a cozy, nice house, warm and snuggly. Hope you all have a blessed and beautiful day. Thank you for your support and watching this little guy. That's right, Mr. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Be the light, shine it bright. Bye for now.